was 33 degrees when I left, and 30 miles north of me it was 4 inches of snow.
Gotta feel the rolling thunder, feel the wind blow through my hair, riding free down on my Harley Daytona, wait till I get there.
There's some friends that I've had for 15 years. The only time I see them is at Daytona Bikeweek.
We pulled into Ormond Beach a little north of Daytona just before midnight on Friday. The party had already started at the world-famous Iron Horse Saloon.
We got a bunch of friends from everywhere down here, just all get together and enjoy Bike Week like we always do.
All your worries are back at home. You pick them up when you get back if you want to. It's total freedom.
It's this country and its freedom, you know? You get on it and do your thing and we don't bother anybody and nobody bothers us, that's just fine by me.
His name is Frank. He does pinstriping, and he does it while you wait.
The Harley, there's just so much you can do to make it yours and yours only. And I make a lot of my own stuff, pipes, gas caps, wheels. When they say a Harley's the initial investment, and then that's just, you keep adding to it, you can believe it. That's just the beginning.
I enjoy the challenges of new things. I think this is part of the mystique of trying to keep an old style of work fresh and new. It's a matter of being able to continue to allow it to grow and you to grow along with something that's been around since the pharaohs were around. You know, it's a challenging field of operations we have here, and it's a matter of keeping the artwork and the art style and form alive, on top of the fact of being able to give not only to yourself but to the clients something that they themselves can walk around with and not be like everybody else is. We discussed coloration first as far as kind of the effect we wanted to get, hence because I've done a few of his bikes before and I know he likes up color and everything like that too. So basically trying to kick around something where you're not destroying the overall design and cluttering it up, but giving it something with a little more flash to it without detracting from the design, but again upgrading everything to the point where it has more of a custom, more individual look.
In the middle of March each year, for half a century, bikers from all over head for the sunshine and party time in Daytona Beach, Florida. a week-long escape from winter. Once merely tolerated as a renegade rally, Bike Week was endorsed by Daytona Beach city officials and Harley Davidson in 1987, and since has become a community-wide festival. Over 400,000 bikers had descended on Daytona Beach for the 54th annual Bike Week. Bikers came from around the world for this party. Now that Bike Week is official, bikers converge at the Ocean Center Pavilion to register for all of the Harley Davidson events.
Yeah, you already got it.
One of Daytona Beach's busiest weeks, with the overlap of the college kids on spring break and the Bike Week crowd.
Weather on the beach is great. We're going to have a great week. Somebody asked me a little bit ago, they said, you know, is it always this busy here? I said, well, let me tell you something. This is just the first minute of the whole football game. It hadn't even got here yet. I'm serious, and you know I'm serious. We're going to have another 500,000 folks.
It's just a feeling that you get. There's camaraderie of being with your friends, doing what you want to do, and it's a feeling that unless you've experienced it, you can't explain. It's like nothing else in the world. It's freedom.
Early start for us to get our motorcycles out and get a little bit of a ride. Everybody wants to get out of the winter and out of the sub-zero temperatures, and it's a holiday.
We made a lot of friends here over the years. Every year we might not see them any other time, come down and hook up with people that we've camped with in the past.
Now, many years ago when I lived in Orlando and see the bikers driving down the road, I was, no way. That is, I would never, ever do that. I thought it was too rough. I thought that's what people were, mean, rough, ready to fight, and it's not. I think they're the nicest people.
What do you like about Bike Week? What do you do when you come?
Watch people. Just watch people and just have a good time.
Spend money.
Yeah, spend money.
So what do you do on a bright, sunny Florida morning? You ride.